Hello and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, and we'll be getting on today with a rocket stove. So we'll end up with something like this. It's very effective and very easy to make. So basically all you need is a baby formula tin, a large tin like hot dogs. So it's literally about 10mm lower than the baby formula tin, and just an ordinary tin. And also we're going to need a bit of perlite. So come and join us on the bench and we'll get making this rocket stove, shall we? Right, so first of all we need to be able to put this into the side of the can. We can draw around this and cut it with a pair of scissors. Do be careful because you're going to end up with very sharp edges. I'm going to save a bit of time. I've actually got a core hole piece which is the same diameter as our tin. So we're not going to go all the way down to the bottom, we're going to go 10mm up. Right, so that is our hole cut. Let's move on to the next stage. So now we need to be able to put this tin into this tin. So again, you can draw around, cut with scissors, be extremely careful. But I've got my hole cutter, so I'm going to carry on with my hole cutter. So now we've got our hole cut in the side, and that now allows us to slide this one inside here. So all we need to do with this tin now is cut the bottom out. So we should be able to just use our tin openers. And now this one, obviously with the cut end, put the cut end in this side, so this edge is not sharp because this edge is going to be the exposed edge. There is one little thing to do left with this, is when we put our tin inside, as you can see it blocks where we need to be, so we need to draw around this part of the tin and we'll cut this away. So we should end up with this. So obviously we're going to be putting our fuel in here, and this is going to be the rocket effect coming out here. Right, so let's put this lot together. So we'll put our tin in the centre. Just like so. So now what we need to do is we'll just fill this up with perlite, and this should stop the outside of this tin getting extremely hot and make it nice and workable to move around if we need to. Obviously this is the one I made earlier, so basically all we're doing is filling it up with perlite. We can keep the lid as well when we transport it around, just keep that perlite in. And there we have our rocket stove. So all I've got here is just an offcut of angle bead for plastering, skimming, and all I've done is made it round and just put a little pop rivet inside. Put that on top. And there we go. Right, let's fire this up and we'll see how she cooks. Just keep pushing the sticks in. And there we have our rocket stove. Right, time to get some food on, I think. As you can see with these rocket stoves, they're very efficient, very quick at cooking. And there we are. It's already starting to turn. There we go. How do you like your eggs in the morning? I like mine with a kiss. So that's the idea. It just sucks up the flame, and she blows it out up there. Well, I think that's that egg done. We'll take that off, and we'll go and put that in a sarnie. Well, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.